Hello everyone, Namaste. Hope you're doing great. As we embrace the vibrant spirit of Holi, I extend my heartfelt greetings to all Indians across the country and Indian diaspora worldwide. My heartfelt gratitude to the defense, police, and security personnel, those who are working tirelessly to maintain law and order, peace within the country and at the border. As Holi is the festival of color, which is not just a festival of joy, but it also reflects unity, harmony, peace, prosperity, happiness, and the triumph of righteousness over adversity. As each color aids to the beauty of this festival, each and every individual of the society plays a vital role to shaping the destiny of this great nation. It's a time to come together to celebrate the festival. Let the word Holi is the biggest festival. Holi is the festival of joy. Holi is the festival of happiness. As we have great vision, we have India at 47 developed nation. We are marching again towards the golden era. We are marching towards the e-governance, governance, and social impacts. May this Holi gives you peace, prosperity, happiness, success to everyone's life, to everyone's homes. Thank you, Jai Hind.